What's going on, guys? Travis here. We're back for another video. I tried uploading a few more videos, but they all got messed up, so I'm trying a different strategy out of this time. But for this video, we're going to be playing Roblox, but it's going to be a tutorial video. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys how to play Healoria in Monster Madness. So basically, Healoria is a healer, of course, you could tell by her name. She has 3 abilities. She has a gun. She can heal people when she's near them. And she can also heal herself. So basically, she's more of a fast type shooter, and she's not very strong, like, physically and defensively. She's more just for being support. So, if you're going to be a Healoria, it's better if you're going to upgrade her speed and her health and defense, because her damage it's just not going to help you later on. It might a little bit, but what you need to do, it's just not, you're supposed to heal people with this character. Like, you're not going to be able to do that much with attacking, because her guns are just really weak, and you really wouldn't be able to do anything with her. So, I recommend that if you are going to play with this person, you stay near your teammates, of course, because that's what's going to keep you alive. But her last ability, the one that puts a bubble over her, the one that heals her, it makes you slower while you're using it, so it kind of nerfs her a little bit. And also, when you heal someone, you speed up a little bit, so it makes you want to heal people more, because, you know, you can get away from enemies faster. Okay, so basically, I'm going to show you some more about Healoria. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hit the plus mark. And so here are all my defenders. I don't have many because I haven't really been buying them, or using my coins to get them. I've been saving up. But here's Healoria. As you can see right under the little thing, her little picture, I upgraded my speed all the way. I was upgrading her when I didn't really know how to play her, so I upgraded some of my damage, but the armor you should definitely go for. So what I recommend is that you go for health, you go for speed and armor. You could also go for jump power, because, you know, it'll help you get away from all the enemies, because that's probably what you're going to want to do, unless they're really weak. So the speed is to get away, or the jump to get away, and, you know, the health and the armor is just so you can live. If you guys enjoyed this, and you guys maybe want me to do some more tutorials in Roblox or other characters, like any of these or the ones that I showed you, then like the video, subscribe, follow me on Mixer, XXFoxBay. You guys can also add me on Roblox, XXFoxBayXX. And we'll see you for another video.